Hi YouTube, it's been a while since we haven't updated the series of how to write. So here we are. In today's video, I'm gonna sublimate a baby grow, a baby coat as well. And the machine right here we are using right now is GS803. Besides, we also prepare a very funny design. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Mom plus dad equal me. Very funny, right? And we also prepare Teflon sheet, high heat resistant tapes. Alright guys, you might also wonder the printing parameters, right? Just let me tell you. The temperature of sublimating baby grow is 195 Celsius degrees and time is 45 seconds. Pressure here we recommend you medium. It's all set. Let's get it. First, just put the baby grow into the lower platinum and line it up right. Then remember to preheat for 5 seconds to dry out the moisture inside and remove the wrinkle because it's fabric. Cover with Teflon sheet. Preheat for 5 seconds. Okay, then we are able to place the design on it, making sure that it's in the middle of the baby grow. And I'm gonna use some high heat resistant tapes to fix it. Again, cover with Teflon sheet. 45 seconds. Here we go. Here we are. I can't wait to check out the result. Wow, it's so vivid. The color is so vibrant, guys.